Hi, I'm Lanakila, and I want to share with you a little bit about my experience doing personal training here at CORE. What happened was that I took a pretty bad fall a few years ago, and I already knew that I was a little bit susceptible to some knee problems just due to family history. I decided it was time to nip things in the bud. I wanted to be the first generation in my family not to have disabling knee pain as I got older. And so I started out going to a couple of different physical therapists in a few different places, and everybody had something good to tell me, but it didn't seem like I ever got what I really needed to bring it all together. The first time I saw Beau, what was really different was that when I came in, I got a sense of optimism from him. It was just really clear that he was confident we were going to be able to make a positive difference, and that what I really needed was just to complement the skills other practitioners had been teaching me with some strength and flexibility training so that it would be sustainable for my body. So that instead of just knowing what to do but not being able to keep it up, instead it would be something that I could keep going as I just went about my daily life and just functioned as usual. After several months of doing corrective exercises with Beau, I was walking in a place where I usually do have more difficulty with my knees because of the ground cover, because of the flooring in that area, and all of a sudden, for the first time, I could walk in that area without getting knee pain. So I've really had practically no knee pain in a very long time now. And so I'm really comfortable with the way I move. I feel stable when I'm walking. I feel more stable even just when I'm standing. And just movement feels more comfortable in my body now. Definitely. Anytime I meet anybody in this area who is having any sort of physical issues, any sort of orthopedic problems, movement issues, I recommend Beau and I recommend CORE right away because it's made such a big positive difference in my life being here.